Do you have any other ways that marketers could roll out a mobile strategy that might work for their business?
Yeah, so we really see the future as being, sort of a multi-pronged approach to mobile messaging, right? One is this sort of mass messaging. We think it's going to continue to survive for a long time. That's really important. But we see a shift into more conversational messaging.
Yeah.
Fewer people want to pick up the phone and make a call today. So when you're heading out somewhere, if you can engage with a business through a text message, right, or other sort of mobile channels, that's really powerful. And so we're trying to, create the platform where businesses can engage with their users, however their users want to be engaged with. So we think that's text messaging right now, and that will likely shift over time. But really, conversational messaging to build strong relationships with customers is what we see as the future.
What are your thoughts on, say, like chatbots on websites, and maybe even the use of AI if we want to go there?
Yeah, look, AI is a hot topic. We should go there for a second, but yeah. Chatbots on websites are really great. We use one on our website, for instance, right? So we're huge fans of that, and it's been sort of really instrumental in our business, is connecting with people in that way. And we see text messaging or mobile messaging engagement as a complement to a lot of those other channels. So when you think about a lot of channels, you think about, can email and SMS live together? And our answer is yes, right? We really think that customers want to, have ability to communicate with businesses in a lot of different ways. So that may be, a chatbot on a website using some AI. We're testing that out now, or it may be a conversation via SMS. And oftentimes, you'll start a conversation one place and you'll want to move the conversation as you move to another channel.
And have the same context if possible, so you don't have to repeat yourself.
That's right, exactly right. And that's one of the trickiest parts is, sort of tying all these channels together is difficult. So that's something that we're really actively working on, right? How can we make sure that it's a seamless experience?